Windows 12 is expected to dramatically expand Microsoft Copilot, making it a central part of the OS, not just an add-on assistant. Copilot will help with tasks like system commands, summarizing content, automating workflows, and more intelligent on-device assistance. Karthik Media. Benefits: faster task automation, context-aware help throughout the OS, reduced need for manual configuration. Desktop Computer 2, redesigned and adaptive user interface. A sleeker, modern interface with improvements such as dynamic widgets, adaptive taskbar behavior, and more personalization options. Makes SEO web. Benefits: cleaner, more intuitive look. UI adjusts to what you're doing, productivity, gaming, creativity. Cloud 3, enhanced cloud and hybrid work integration. Deeper ties with OneDrive and Microsoft 365 with smoother cloud file access, real-time syncing, and collaboration tools directly in the OS. Digital Guru Plus One. Benefits: access files anywhere seamlessly. Easier team collaboration, real-time document editing. Locked with Key 4, stronger security and privacy. Windows 12 is expected to include AI-driven threat detection, improved encryption, and better control over app permissions. Digital Guru. Benefits: better protection against modern threats. More transparency into privacy settings. Chart increasing 5, performance and efficiency improvements. Enhanced resource management, smarter memory CPU usage, and battery-saving technologies are anticipated. Digital Guru. Benefits: faster system responsiveness, longer battery life on laptops and tablets. Laptop Computer 6, smarter multitasking and desktop management. Features like advanced snap layouts, customizable virtual desktops, and fluid switching between workflows are likely. Digital Guru. Benefits: better organized workspaces, increased productivity for power users. Video Game 7, gaming enhancements. Building on technologies like direct storage and auto HDR, Windows 12 is expected to boost game performance and responsiveness. Makes SEO web. Benefits: faster load times, richer graphics, and smoother gameplay. Toolbox 8, developer and platform improvements. Includes a more stable Windows subsystem for Linux, WSL, and improved container support. Digital Guru. Benefits: easier development workflows, better tools for modern software building. Counterclockwise arrows button 9, modular and flexible updates. Microsoft may use a modular system, Core PC, that lets parts of Windows update independently. Data Recovery. Benefits: smaller, faster updates, less disruption during upgrades. Battery 10, power and battery management. AI-driven battery saver, adaptive charging, and detailed power analytics can help extend device runtime. Digital Guru. Benefits: intelligent battery usage, longer hardware lifespan. Bar chart benefits at a glance. Category. Benefit: productivity, smarter task automation, and UI flexibility. Security: AI threat detection and enhanced privacy controls. Cloud work: seamless file sync and collaboration. Performance: optimized resource usage and improved battery life. Gaming: better graphics and reduced load times. Development: stronger dev tools and container support.